Why does one image feel flat and the other feel alive? The secret lies in placement, and for centuries artists have followed hidden formulas to make their work resonate. Mastering Composition, Episode 3, The Rule of Thirds, The Magic of Placement. Here's the rule of thirds. Picture your frame as a tic-tac-toe grid, 9 equal parts. By placing important elements along the lines, or where they cross, your composition becomes more dynamic, more engaging. When you center a subject, it can feel stiff or overly formal, but shift it just off-center. Suddenly there's motion, energy, even tension. It feels like a moment caught, not staged. Let's play a quick game. I'll show you a famous painting. You guess where the main subject lands. Got it right? That's not luck. That's the power of thoughtful placement. So next time you snap a photo or sketch a scene, imagine the grid. Where you place something can matter even more than what you're placing. In our next episode, we'll explore balance and visual weight, how artists keep your eyes moving across the canvas. If you're enjoying this creative deep dive, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next.